I will explain you what is mindfulness. I will explain you why we should do mindfulness and what are the benefits. But first and foremost, let's sit very comfortable in our chair. Our spine should be straight. Anything you do should not be uncomfortable for you. Make sure you are comfortable. Your legs should be as apart as your shoulders, should not be too wide, not too close. So just very comfortable here. Right? Good. Your hands could be either on your knee, or you could also do a namasana, something called namasana if it is comfortable for you, or open palm position, whatever position you prefer. But if you are comfortable, put your hands on your knees like this. Just relax. The entire mindfulness practice is not going to be an exercise like yoga. It is going to be more about your mental well-being and about your thought process. So I will ask you to do certain things during mindfulness, and all you have to do is follow what I say to you. Only words which I will use for this exercise is inhale and exhale. Inhale means inhale the air from nose like this, and when I say exhale, exhale from mouth. Keep it very simple. When I say inhale, I might say 1, 2, 3. You inhale as deep as you can. And when I say exhale, you exhale from your mouth. Let us start a simple practice right now. I will explain you why mindfulness and what are the benefits of mindfulness little later. We will go little slow. So you are comfortable? Close your eyes. Inhale. 1, 2, 3. Hold your breath. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, when I ask you to inhale, inhale and hold your breath and have awareness about everything around, which means listen to the music, listen to the surrounding, feel environment, feel your body, feel everything around you. Inhale. Hold your breath and feel everything that you can feel. Check the room temperature. Find the body temperature. Mind surrounding. Exhale. 1, 2, 3. Now we will inhale and we will hold all the thoughts in our mind. Whatever comes, let it come. Don't fight with any thought. Inhale. 1, 2, 3. Hold. Let thought comes to you. Whatever thoughts they are coming, let them come. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now is the time to go a step ahead. Now when you inhale, I want you to inhale all the joy, all the happiness, and say yourself, that I am feeling happy. And when you exhale, say yourself that I am letting all worry goes. So when I say inhale, inhale all the joy with you. Inhale. When I say exhale, let all the worries go. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let us do one more mindfulness for paying gratitude. When I say inhale, just pay thanks. Pay thanks to someone. Maybe your life partner, maybe your guru, maybe your Almighty. To someone, just say thanks. So when I say inhale, pay gratitude. Inhale. Hold your breath and pay thanks to someone. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open your eyes. I want to ask you a few things. Would you agree with me that everything that we do, it's processed through our mind? It is not about what happened in our surrounding. It's about how we react to everything in our life. Mindfulness teaches you one beautiful thing is about not to react on the things. In fact, it teaches you about to have the proper intention in your life. Mindfulness is the best practice to take away your stress. And as you can see, we can do mindfulness here. You can do mindfulness in your office, in your home, at any place. To do mindfulness, the most simple thing which we have to do is control our mind. Why do we need to control our mind? We have two kinds of thoughts coming in our mind. One, which are positive thoughts, which gives us energy, which gives us motivation, which gives us fire to do amazing things. And another thought, which is negative. It brings us down. It says to us, well, we are not good enough. It says there is too many things to do in my life. It says my life is full of problems. And the best way to deal with this is to learn to control your mind. So again, we will close our eyes and I will guide you how to control your thoughts and how to bring better thoughts in your life. So we will close our eyes and I will show you some small practices. Close your eyes. When I say inhale, we will inhale all the positivity. We will feel awesome. You will say to yourself, I am powerful. I am capable. If there is any thought which says to you, I have so much worry, so much tension, just keep it aside. You have incredible control. So when you exhale, say to yourself, I keep my worries aside. I keep my tension aside. I keep my problems aside. So inhale. Hold your breath. Say, I am powerful. I am capable. I am the universe. Exhale. Tell the problems to go away. Tell the problems that they don't belong here. Now let's do the mindfulness of issues or judgment you might have. There might be some person or some people or some friend or a relationship which has created trouble in your life. Now when I say inhale, you will inhale, you will think about this person and you will simply say, I forgive you and I forget whatever you have done, and say to yourself, I control my life and I don't think any negative thing about you. So when I ask you to inhale, think about the person who has probably hurt you or you are hurt by that person. Just tell him that I forgive you and I forget what you have done. Inhale through your nose. Forgive the person. Forget the issue. Exhale. Say, I control my life. I control my being. I control what I want. Now, the last step, the self-empowerment. I want you to inhale and say, I am the power, I am the universe, and tell all the issues, all the problems, all the negativity, see them going when you exhale. Make sure you inhale from your nose and you exhale from your mouth. So inhale, hold your breath, say, I am the universe, I am the power, I let go all the problem. Exhale. Find the smile, find the power within you, find the joy within you. Feel the power you have, feel the strength you have. Mindfulness is all about training your mind, controlling your life, and telling that you are the power and you control the worries, and it's not the worry that controls you. You could do mindfulness anywhere, and I want you to enjoy mindfulness all the day, every time. Anytime you have stress, difficulty, heavy emotions, negative thoughts, just sit down, relax, inhale and exhale. Open your eyes. Do the Namasana. Thank you. Right? I wish I could do more, but we have time restriction. But please do practice this mindfulness. It's the most simplest exercise to help you achieve incredible things in your life. This is very powerful, and you control your emotion, you control your life, you control your brain, and you control everything through your mindfulness practices. Thank you.